Hey guys, welcome back to B&CRC for big unboxing. Are you sick and tired of drag racing shit yet on this channel? I haven't been getting a lot of feedback on it. A little comment here and there. Doesn't seem to be a hell of a lot of interest. But unfortunately for you guys, I'm still pretty interested in it. So we got another drag car. Oh my god. The guys at Small Addictions RC got a kick out of me when I brought it up the counter because they said, "Don't you already have one of those?" And I said, "Yes, I do, but it's an old one. I want to see if the current one sucks as bad as the old one did." Because if you watch my review a few years back, you remember the DR10 is a turd on 2S. It runs pretty good on 3S. I just recently started screwing around with that car. I decided I kind of like it. Associated's been spamming Facebook like crazy lately, it seems like. Part of my algorithm, it keeps showing up for me. So I decided to give them another try. Oh, this one's got a bigger wing. It must be super fast, ish. Looks like the same old radio. Let's see here. Oh, come on. Alright. XP120. Same radio. I've been running the old car quite a bit the last couple days, and I like that radio. You could do a lot worse for a ready to run radio. Big old honking wing. That looks exponentially more serious than what came on the old DR10. Got some hardware there to attach it with. Looks like a bumper and some other odd parts in there. Yeah, it looks like a front bumper, body posts, different body mount there. That's cool. I'm guessing that the manual is a good one because this is available in kit form. I'm a lazy fuck, I got the ready to run. Looks like it's got the same old, whatever 600 speed control that the old one had, which I'm assuming is a 60 amp, but I couldn't really find the information on it anywhere. Yeah, full build instructions, just as I thought. Certificate of conformity. Yeah, that doesn't sound like anything I'm interested in. A little bit of stickers. Just associated and some racy looking stickers. Huh, got ET numbers for windows. That's kind of cool. None of the Lucy cars came with that. Associated's pretty good for coming up with the little quirky stuff. Alright, let's see what the car is. Hopefully the camera doesn't stop rolling. There's already a bunch of footage on there from running the DR10 this morning before work. Guys are scooting pretty good on 3S. I think I'm going to take it to the next meet. Come on. Fucking tape. Motherfucking tape. Oh man, China must have had a sale on this shit. T-Mu tape. Oh, come on. Jesus Christ. It'll be my bedtime before I get this motherfucker out of here. Careful, I'll poke my eye out with the fucking scissors. Come on. Oh my god, those are rugged zip ties. They don't want it to go anywhere, that's for sure. Come on for there, you son of a bitch. Okay. Got the Lucas Oil livery. I guess livery is how you say it across the bottom. I don't like it. I hope them stickers come off there. Good looking body. I thought it looked kind of funky. Oh, it was rounded. The box art didn't really do it any justice. Just like them black wheels don't do it any justice. They're a sweet design. Probably some of the best throwback muscle car looking wheels on the market. They're black. They need to be fucking shiny. Looks like pretty straightforward how to bolt that on there. The body's all pre-drilled for the hardware for the wing. Hopefully it's drilled better than the first car I had. body was mounted wrong on my first DR10, and I actually contacted Associated, and they sent me a new body, which was mighty white of them, which I still haven't painted. It's still right there, clear. It looks pretty much exactly the same as the other one. Fully adjustable turnbuckles, aluminum shocks with clips for spacers, which I don't know, it seems to work. My other car, I'm really impressed with how smooth and quiet it is. There's supposed to be 3 adjustments for the wheelie bar. I only see 2, which is not the end of the world. Didn't see, I think it comes with, yeah, it comes with some bigger wheels for the wheelie bar. Maybe they consider that the 3rd adjustment. So, there it is. The DR10. Version 2.0 for me. It looks exactly the same. I don't know if they changed anything. Hopefully it's not such a turd on 2S like the first one was. And just a little added bonus, I picked up a Power Hobby GNSS Performance Analyzer. It's like a GPS recorder for your little race cars. You can set this son of a bitch for 66 feet, and it'll tell you what your top speed was, what the G-force was of the acceleration, all kinds of interesting information. That costs about 80 bucks. You set it on some Velcro tape or whatever so you can swap it from one car to another. I seen a guy using one of their last meet, and I saw it go flying across the parking lot like a skipping stone, and it still worked afterwards, so I figured I ought to have one of them. And there it is. So I'll actually be able to give you some scientific information on these cars instead of just my asshole opinion on everything. That's it. I'm out of here. I got shit to do. You guys have a nice day.